Hello, welcome to A-RIPPOS. In this video, we'll be testing out a wired barcode scanner, specifically the Panda PRJ444 2D model with USB cable. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. First, prepare a USB Type-C OTG cable like this one. Plug the Type-C into your Android phone. Now take the Panda barcode scanner and connect the USB cable into the OTG cable. To check if the scanner is working, open the Notes app on your Android phone. Try scanning a product barcode. If the barcode numbers appear, that means the scanner is successfully connected to your Android phone. Now we're going to try making a transaction using the barcode scanner in iREAP Pro. Open your iREAP Pro app, tap the Sales menu. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Tap the three dots in the top right, select Enable or Disable Barcode Scanner. You should now see a barcode icon on the screen. Tap the barcode or description field. Scan your product. Once scanning is done, tap the Cash Payment button. Tick the checkbox for Print Receipt to Printer. If you want to learn how to connect a Bluetooth printer to iREAP, check out our video in the top right corner, or see the link in the description below. Finally, tap Confirm Payment. Thank you for watching our video until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.